Hi there folks, Elvis here, your friendly camera craftsman. I've been making your ONDU pinhole cameras for the past 10 years, and today I am beyond excited to present to you my newest creation yet, the ONDU EIKAN, a 4x5 large format modular camera. With each ONDU pinhole camera series, we've taken significant steps to creating the perfect pinhole camera. Drawing upon years of accumulated expertise has led me to design a large format camera that challenges the limits of design, quality, and modularity. But hey, we've been cooped up in this workshop for way too long. Let's switch things up and dive into the great outdoors while I give you a closer look at this amazing camera. First things first, let's talk about what makes the EIKAN truly exceptional. Thanks to its modular features, the camera is designed to grow with you. Whether you're just starting with large format photography or looking for a lightweight setup for your outdoor exploration, the standard EIKAN camera module is your perfect starting point. As your passion for photography expands, the EIKAN camera has got you covered. With its interchangeable components and back options, you can customize the camera to suit your evolving needs. If you decide you need longer bellows length, for instance for macro photography, or longer focal length lenses, you can do so. Want to transform it into a 4x10 inches panoramic camera? Also possible. It's like having a chameleon in your hands, adapting effortlessly to any photographic situation you find worthy exploring. Let's dive into some of the features of the EIKAN camera. To simplify the camera setup process, I've incorporated the rear locking mechanisms with zeroing sliders on both the front and back of the camera. This allows for effortless setup, ensuring quick and accurate composition. It has a lightweight, yet sturdy construction, weighing 1500 grams for the standard version. Magnetic removable bellows, useful when changing backs and formats. The magnetic rotating back enables you to effortlessly switch between portrait and landscape orientations. And since we don't want our ground glass damaged, each camera comes with a ground glass protector. For those of you who enjoy shooting large format Instax film, this camera is Graph-Lock compatible, which means you can use the Lomo Graph-Lock, and I've also designed a proprietary focusing screen for this back. Lastly, the EIKAN camera features a smooth focusing system with linear rails, allowing for precise and intuitive focusing adjustments. It's not just about features, it's about craftsmanship too. Each EIKAN camera is a work of art, made from high-grade anodized aluminum and locally harvested walnut wood that we carefully craft in my workshop. Every component of the camera has been carefully designed to enhance your shooting experience and enable top-notch image quality, and make sure that this camera becomes a heirloom item, destined to be cherished for a long, long time. In staying true to my beliefs, all production and manufacturing takes place right here in the same valley. It's a commitment to quality and sustainability that many of our ONDU camera users have come to love and trust. But the EIKAN isn't just a tool, it's an invitation to see the world from new heights. As a photographer, adventurer, and paraglider pilot, I know the thrills of experiencing moments from extraordinary angles. With the ONDU EIKAN camera in your hands, you too can embrace that freedom. Chase the light and soar to new horizons.
where you come in. Back our Kickstarter campaign today to become a part of the ONDU family. Together, we can bring the icon to life to capture the magic of time, light, and memories. Thank you for your support. Woo!